Art Gremlins! While it's always fun to do paintings that have a particular subject, it also becomes necessary to do some sort of sketch so that you have an idea of the layout and shape of what you're painting. But did you know that using a regular pencil for your sketch is actually one of the worst things you can do? It may seem convenient at the start, but once you start laying in your paint, that black lead from your pencil is actually going to go ahead and mix in with your paint colors and make them murky and not as rich. And this especially applies for watercolor and acrylic paint. Instead, I recommend using an erasable colored pencil. I prefer reds and pinks since these tend to be the least problematic. But any color other than black is really going to help you maximize the richness of your paints once you get started. Go ahead and try it. I bet you'll be amazed at the results. I know I was. Want more art tips? Why not subscribe? I always love having more art gremlins to hang out with.